Welcome to the Gemini Long Context Experience. Have you ever wished for an AI model that could truly grasp the bigger picture? Well, buckle up. Today we are diving deep into Gemini powered by Google's DeepMind AI. With its game-changing long context windows and context catching, Gemini is transforming industries from urban planning to healthcare. This isn't just another AI model, it's rewriting the rules of what AI can do. Imagine trying to read and analyze a 500-page novel. Tough, right? That's what Gemini's long context windows and context catching are all about. It optimizes memory, accelerates processing, and boosts accuracy, making Gemini a true powerhouse for handling large datasets effortlessly. From analyzing complex surgeries to composing unique tunes, Gemini is redefining what AI can do. Let's jump into how it's making a real impact in these fields. Gemini in surgical video analysis. Using its long context capabilities, Gemini processes surgical videos frame by frame, ensuring no critical event was missed. Its context catching feature prevented redundant computations, allowing us to efficiently revisit keyframes while maintaining high accuracy. In other use case, we analyzed a cesarean procedure video. Gemini's multimodal capabilities combine video frames with associated audio inputs, delivering deeper insights. This approach ensured surgical actions were perfectly aligned with audio cues such as instructions or commentary. Although Gemini significantly reduced processing time and improved precision, issues like resource exhausted errors were often encountered in analyzing large medical datasets. With its ability to handle long video contexts and reuse cached insights, Gemini proved invaluable in enhancing medical diagnostics and surgical review processes. Gemini in music composition. Now let's shift to music composition. Gemini's creative potential came to life in three key tasks: generating alternate tunes for an existing song, composing a tune for an unreleased song, analyzing an audio clip to extract its unique tunes. First, we provided Gemini with the lyrics of an existing song. Using its long context understanding, Gemini generated a harmonically rich alternate tune. Next, we tasked Gemini with composing a melody for an unreleased song. Here, Gemini used its multimodal capabilities to align lyrics with musical patterns. The resulting tune matched the emotional tone of the lyrics, making it a perfect fit for the intended mood. Lastly, we analyzed an audio clip to extract the musical notes and patterns embedded in it. Gemini's context catching allowed it to process the entire clip without reanalyzing segments, ensuring efficient and accurate extraction of audio features. These extracted tunes were not only accurate but also ready for applications like remixing or analyzing musical compositions, opening up exciting possibilities in the fields of music production. From analyzing complex medical videos to composing creative music, Gemini 1.5 Pro demonstrated its versatility in power. With its long context capabilities and context catching, it excelled in both efficiency and precision. To dive deeper into the power of Gemini, check out the links in the description for the GitHub repository or Kaggle notebook.